Hey guys, it's me Ram here, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Cubelelo Elite M clock. So my main right now is this regular Cubelelo Elite clock, non-magnetic, and it honestly turns very nicely. However, the pins are really bad because they keep falling, and I'm actually pretty decent at clock at sea. I average around 16 to 17 seconds, and I actually enjoy the event. However, I'm not motivated to practice it at all because of these pins. Therefore, I decided to get this puzzle. Let's go ahead and unbox it right now. Alright, so here we are. Here's the Elite M clock, and let's just go ahead and take off this plastic wrap. Alright, and here is the clock. Let's just go ahead and push this off to the side. Okay, here we go. I'm very excited for this puzzle. Hopefully it'll motivate me to practice more clocks soon. And oh, okay, that's how it opens. And clock solving guide, I can do that. Extra magnets, some glue, and here we are. Oh my god, this feels so good. These pins are amazing. The turning though is a little bit stiff right now, but these pins feel great. Oh my god, I can't wait to start solving on this. These dials feel a little stiff right now, which is kind of unfortunate, but these pins are amazing. I really like this puzzle so far. Hopefully this will drop my clock average by a lot, because I don't see any pins falling, obviously, because this clock is magnetic, but this is amazing. These dials are a little bit stiff, which is kind of sad compared to this one right here, which is much smoother. However, these pins are so good. Definitely go for a magnetic clock. Don't even bother wasting your money on a non-magnetic one, because these pins are so good. Oh my god. Okay, so that's about it for this unboxing, I guess. So for my first impressions, I'd give this clock a 9 out of 10. So that's about it for my unboxing on the Cubelelo Elite M clock. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.